What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new episode of Tesla Canadian Dad. Today, unfortunately, we are talking about curb rash. It happened, brand new tires, brand new rims, I should say, and not 2 weeks later. I haven't hit a curb in so long, but it happened. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and talk about how we can actually fix it ourselves so that it's not too bad. So again, we are gonna be able to fix this ourselves. Now, I had the pleasure of having the input of my little brother, who is a repair body man, not a mechanic. He always tells me he's not a mechanic. Okay, but yeah, when your car gets in an accident, he's the one that's fixing it. So he knows what he's talking about, and I went to him for some input on how I could potentially fix it. I got some paint for it. I got some tools for it, all courtesy of him, of course. And now I'm gonna go ahead and go and fix it. So let's go ahead and fix that rim. So the 3-step process he gave me was, number 1, get paint that is as close as possible to the rim color of your car. Obviously, that's a okay, pretty obvious. So I ended up getting the Nexus Auto Color Aqua Base Plus. Now, he provided that paint color for me, so luckily I didn't have to actually buy anything. He had some leftover at work that he brought over, so I was a little bit lucky on that part. So the second tip he gave me is don't brush, dab. Always be dabbing, 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 dabbing. This is going to help, again, make sure that you're getting paint everywhere inside every little crack that you've potentially ripped open on the rim. So again, always be dabbing. And the third and most important is small coats. Always be doing small coats, lots and lots of small coats. So put a coat, let it dry, wait, put a coat, let it dry, wait, put a coat, let it dry, wait, until you're happy with the end result, at which point, hopefully, your rim will look as good as new. That's it for this episode. It was a short one, but hopefully you've learned a little something. You're here because you did the same thing, and you want to know how you could potentially fix your rim without having to spend a lot of money. All right, let me know in the comments below what happened to you, how your accident happened, and for now, enjoy this exaggerated version of what happened to my car.